Inconsistent data management cripples organizations, lacking oversight upholding quality, security, and coordinated access, promoting effective usage while controlling risks inherent with fragmented control. Costly errors cascade through broken analysis chaining flawed assumptions, compounded by unvalidated content threatening business continuity. Our rigorous certification program develops experts governing institutional data continuity through accountable lifecycle oversight. Attendees master architectural strategy translating business needs into infrastructure security, storage, maintenance, and disaster recovery, sustaining usable asset integrity. Graduates also direct usage policies balancing broad information access with necessary restrictions minimizing threats. Certified professionals enable organizations to actualize data analytics ROI through trust in quality analysis, fueling continuity for operations, planning decisions, and confident continuity through accountable data stewardship, upholding security, resilience, and value maximization, leveraging institutional information assets. Commit now to respected certification, giving you tools to align data management with business objectives for continuity, securable growth, and analytics. Excellence upholding bottom lines. We empower you to bridge it with users optimizing high-value intelligence returns through governance.